Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best 3D printer in 2026? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers on Amazon that offer high-speed printing, precision engineering, automatic leveling, multi-color capabilities, and professional-grade performance for makers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Reflex RS Turbo Resin 3E Printer. Taking the top spot on our list is the Reflex RS Turbo Resin 3D printer. Designed for users who demand exceptional detail and accuracy, this resin printer features an amber screen with an impressive contrast ratio of 566:1, helping produce highly detailed prints with outstanding surface quality. With plus or minus 2 μ precision and fast 4.5-second layer printing speeds, it delivers professional-level results while maintaining efficiency. The industrial-grade C5 Z-axis system enhances stability during printing, and the automatic leveling feature makes setup easier than ever. Pros: amber screen technology, 566:1 high contrast ratio, plus or minus 2 μ ultra-high precision, 4.5 seconds per layer printing speed, C5 industrial-grade Z-axis, automatic leveling system, excellent detail and surface finish. The Reflex RS Turbo combines incredible precision, speed, and reliability, making it our top 3D printer pick on Amazon in 2026. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. Coming in at number 2 is the FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. This versatile machine is built for creators who want both speed and colorful creativity in their projects. Featuring a Core XY motion system capable of speeds up to 600 mm per second, the AD5X delivers fast and accurate printing. Its 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder supports a wide range of filament materials, while its one-click auto leveling system simplifies setup and improves print consistency. Pros: multicolor printing capability, Core XY high-speed system, up to 600 mm per second printing speed, one-click automatic leveling, 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, excellent precision and efficiency. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is an outstanding choice for users looking for speed, versatility, and vibrant multicolor printing. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. At number 3, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. This high-performance printer combines speed, convenience, and reliability in a compact design. Its fully automatic leveling system ensures hassle-free setup, while the Core XY all-metal structure provides stability during high-speed printing. Capable of reaching speeds up to 600 mm per second, the Adventurer 5M is ideal for users who want fast production without sacrificing quality. Pros: fully automatic leveling, Core XY all-metal structure, up to 600 mm per second printing speed, 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, 3-second detachable nozzle system, 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, fast and reliable operation. The Adventurer 5M offers an excellent balance of speed, ease of use, and print quality for beginners and experienced makers alike. Number 4. Original Prusa Core 1. At number 4 is the original Prusa Core 1. Known for its exceptional build quality and reliability, this ready-to-use printer arrives fully assembled and tested, allowing users to start printing right away. Prusa's reputation for precision and consistency shines through in the Core 1. It includes removable print sheets for easy part removal and comes with a 1 kg spool of Prusament PLA filament to get you started immediately. Pros: fully assembled and tested, ready to use out of the box. Removable print sheets, includes 1 kg Prusament PLA spool, reliable and consistent performance, high-quality construction, print size of 9.8 by 8.6 by 10.6 inches. The original Prusa Core 1 is a fantastic option for users who value reliability, ease of use, and premium print quality. Number 5. Creality K2 Pro Combo A 3D Printer. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Creality K2 Pro Combo. This feature-packed printer is designed for creators who want large-scale, high-speed, and multicolor printing capabilities. With support for multicolor printing with the CFS system and speeds up to 600 mm per second, it delivers both creativity and productivity. Dual AI cameras help monitor prints in real time, while active chamber heating improves print quality for advanced materials. Pros: multicolor printing with CFS,
up to 600 millimeters per second printing speed, dual AI camera monitoring, active chamber heating, automatic leveling, large 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter build volume, suitable for advanced materials. The Creality K2 Pro Combo is an excellent choice for makers who need a large build volume, smart monitoring features, and multicolor printing flexibility. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall precision and resin printing performance, the Reflex RS Turbo takes our #1 spot. The FLASHFORGE AD5X stands out with its multicolor capabilities and high-speed Core XY system, while the Adventurer 5M offers excellent speed and ease of use. The original Prusa Core 1 delivers trusted reliability and premium print quality, and the Creality K2 Pro Combo provides impressive multicolor printing and a large build volume for ambitious projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides.